shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 16th, 2020. We're going to start with the SPY. We did a little retracement down to the 4 EMA. So the big question is, are we going to jump higher again, or are we going to come down to the 8 EMA? Yeah, that is the question right now. It is a doji, indecision, trying to make up its mind. We're going to be bullish above 321.50 for the move up, and bear below 317.50 for the move down. The reason I picked 317.50 is we have two dark pool prints that are below us right now, recent 317.65, and yesterday we had a 6 million level, 318.94. We are still above those levels, so that's why my bear below is below those. So we'll see what prints come in today. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 32.10. And we're going to be bear below 31.90. The Russell is up next. Yeah, look at that pop we had yesterday. So a lot of times when we break out of a T-spot, a trend change, right? A lot of times it does like to come back down and test where we broke out. Yeah, it looks like that possibly is going to happen. Now we did hit the 200 simple moving average, this brown line. So we have two big moving averages where the computers are loaded to sell here, yep, and here. So look for that retracement today. Bear below 145. Okay, so we will be bullish though above 147.50 if it does move up again. All right, like to have two levels always. QQQ will be bullish above 260.50 and bear below 256. All right, guys, we had a big dark pool level yesterday on the QQQs, and we are below it. Yeah, this was a big mama level too. 5.4 million late dark pool sell print, so 260.48. That's why I'm only going to be bullish above that 260.50. If we do go above that, I'll put my bull hat on and do a little bull dance. Bearish below 256. It's going to be key, but you can see 255 is really a key level there. If we lose that, look out below. We'll most likely come down to this orange moving average around 252.50. All right, let's go on to the Nasdaq Futures. And you know what? We do have a lot of tech companies that are reporting next week. Yep, check these guys out. These are the top 10 holdings in the QQQs, by the way. Amazon is, Google, Intel. We also have Microsoft, Facebook, Cisco. Yep. Yeah, IBM. So we have a lot of tech reporting next week. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. But meanwhile, that is a key level to watch because, again, it's been really light. So I've been waiting for a heavy level to start coming in, and we just got one. So let's go to the Nasdaq Futures. Bullish above 10,575. Bear below 10,004.50. Same thing for the futures. Oh, let's go and head on to the oil. Hold on one second. Let's pull that up. Okay, oil futures. All right, we're kind of been playing pivot pong here. Yep, Camarilla, Persons, Camarilla, yep. So we're going to be bullish above 40.90. That's our bull level, and we are going to be bearish below 40.50. We'll see which way this breaks. I was really using this volume bar this morning, but wow, we just got a much higher volume bar right in here. Actually, quite a few. So yeah, watch the oil, you guys. Looks like it is revving up its engines. Let's go to gold futures. Check those guys out. Oops. Wow, look at this massive volume hammer that came in. Let me just make that bigger right here, right? It hammered the S1 level. Huge volume. So that's what I'm watching for the gold futures. Yeah, going to be bullish above 1810. So right in this area, we might hit this pivot, but really above the pivot is where the action happens. Bear below 1802.50. Yep. If we can't hold, yeah, where they were buying here, look out below. So those are the futures and the major index ETFs. Let's move on to the individual stocks, and let's start with Tesla. All right, how many of you guys are going to trade Tesla today? Look where we are on the daily chart on Tesla. We are stuck in between the 4 and the 8 EMA there. A doji indecision algo battle is on. Who's going to win? Well, this is a dark, pretty much like an upthrust dark cloud cover, by the way, guys. Yeah. High volume. Yep, and we're starting to move down. But the 8 EMA is so key. Yeah, bearish below 1440. That's why I picked that level. The 8 EMA is about 1441. Yeah, if we go below that, look out below. However, if we can climb up above 1521, I will be bullish on Tesla. Let's go to Bank of America. BAC. Earnings. Not liking the earnings right now. Lots of volume, about 1.1 million already came in. So we are below some major dark pool levels except for one, the 2360 level. Yeah, but we're below 2560, 2445. Let's see if we stay below those. Yeah, going to be bearish below 2325. Bull above 25. Pretty wide range for BAC. We'll see what big levels come in, but guess what came in yesterday? Holy moly, 9 million print on XLF, okay? 2410. This is what we need to watch. Yep. We've been getting a lot of prints. Are they done? I did not expect that 9 million to come in yesterday, but it did. So this is going to be huge. We hit resistance here. If we can break out here, close strong above 2410, bullish. But if we start to move down, that is going to be bearish. We're pretty much done with the major banks. We still have other regional banks that will be reporting, but all the majors are done this week. Let's go to Apple. Oh, by the way, though, bullish above 2425, bear below 2370 are the levels. Apple. Yeah, Apple also stuck in between the 4 and the 8. We're going to be bullish above 392 and bear below 379 for Apple. Pin, Duo, PDD. Lots of volume this morning. Bullish above 82.50 for a retracement trade. Back to person's pivot. And bear below 79.50. All right, those are key levels for PDD. Morgan Stanley also had earnings, faring a little bit better than BAC, but not really doing too much yet. We're going to be bullish above 52.50, bear below 51. NEO, 6.9 million, massive. Oh yeah, we're going to be bullish above 13.50. It's kind of stuck in between the 15 EMA and the 8 here. Now we have a gap. I know everybody wants to fill that gap, but you know what they do? They always do a fake out. Yes, they do. They take it down to the strongest level before the gap, and then they bring it up, and then they fill the gap. Yep. So just watch out for that possibility. We're going to be bear below 12. And let's go to Twitter. Bull above 1350, by the way. Yep. Twitter. I know we had lots of hacking situation going on yesterday. Wild. I call this the dirty bird for a reason. Okay, it's not a beginner stock. It's crazy psycho trading. But I'm going to give you levels. You're at your own risk. Bullish above 34.75. Bearish below 33.50. MGM. We are above that massive 13 million print at 1675. Are we splashing? I don't know. We're going to be bullish if we stay above and bear if we go below. So bear below 1650 and bullish above 1820. So yesterday we came up and we hit this 30 simple moving average. So there's always going to be sellers at every one of these moving averages. The second time, those should be less. The odds of it breaking above increase, and this is why I love the trade up to this 120 simple moving average, which I have wrote here for you. It's also R1 in that level. Yeah, so that's a great target for today. And then if we could go above that, the VWAP on the daily chart. Yeah, those are my two really good trade setups for the way up. Let's go to J and J. Earnings. Volume starting to trickle in. Bullish above 150 and bear below 146.80 for Johnson & Johnson and TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. It's really been a beast. You know, is it running out of steam? Check out this weekly chart. It's really super extended. Yeah, it's a parabolic move pretty much on this. Yeah, it usually doesn't end well. So watch this one carefully. We might retrace back down to the 4 EMA around 62. So I will be bullish though. It could remain parabolic. So 67.50 is that bull level, but if we turn down 65.50, high probability that we'll come down to that 4 EMA on the weekly chart. And we also have a gap here, so they might do that gap fake out, right? They might do one of these things. All right, so watch out for that. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for July 16th. Just a reminder, the webinar that was scheduled for today, the dark pool, my 3 secrets to trading the dark pool free webinar. Yeah, unfortunately, we have some internet issues at that time. They're doing work in my office building, so yeah, I didn't want to take the shot that we wouldn't have internet. So what we did was we changed it to next week, next Thursday, same time, same channel. It'll be the same room. We'll give you a link the day before. Don't worry. And I promise I'll add some extra special stuff to it. So see you then. Happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.